is fun. We made it! Yeah! We made it! Ready to try and tack. The winds are pretty tough out here. We're in the Gulf of Mexico. We're what, 5 miles offshore? We're 5 miles offshore, so we're going to attempt to tack. My sending a broad flag is just going nuts. We're going to tack to starboard. We're going to go, 30 degrees into the wind. We're done with this tack. Ready? We don't have to worry about the food. It's already. Jump into the wind first, okay? All right. Jackie! I'll pull in the furler. No. Hold on. We're good. Just hold it tight. Just hold it. Get some speed. Boy, she rounded up quick. Hold on. We got too much wind in both these sails. No. There we go. All right, let that line loose. Just let her loose. And then we're gonna round it up. All right, hold on. Let me go in the wind so you can pull on her easy. All right, pull it. All right, whenever I go into the wind, go ahead and leave it off. Clean it. Just clean it. It don't matter. Just clean it. We'll be fine. I guess we're not tacking. We're going to jibe. Dangerous. No, what are you doing? Clean it off. No, we're jibing. Clean it off. Pull it tight. There you go. Pull it tight. No, it's the mainsail you got to worry about.
I just can't do that.
It's fine. Go ahead and sit down. We're good. We're good.
I could pee now.
There we go. That was the jibe right there.
Oh,
there we go.
That wasn't so bad.
No. It's because I prepared for it. There we go. And now we let the main sheet out. Like that. There we go. Yeah.
Baby,
Yeah.
I have this backwards.
It's fine. That winch needs to rebuild. We need to rebuild that one to get to the marina. Now we're moving. That was a failed tack, but a successful jibe. All in one video.
That's big.
Yeah. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Yeah, Dad can give her some money. No, have you?
I have.
What? like?
Yeah, we should get there before 5. It's a little bit longer. I kind of figured we'd motor once we get in the ICW because the channel's pretty tight in there. Looks like we got about 4 or 5 foot seas.
Is that our inlet?
No, that's the
No?
first inlet. That might be the inlet. Let me look at the navigation.
We're going to eat fuel and then we're going to go anchor for the night. And we're going to go dock the boat in the morning. So I guess that's gonna be the